Hi friends, hope you're doing well. This video is going to be very important because in this video I will let you know two best free alternative of Internet Download Manager, which is popular with the name of the IDM. So let's start the video. But before starting that, kindly subscribe my channel if you didn't hit the bell icon. So I request you to hit the bell icon and let's start the video. So first thing is basically NDM, which is popular with the name of the NDM Need Download Manager. You need to click onto the Need Download Manager, and the beauty of this tool is that it is available for the both Windows and Mac operating system. So it will not be an issue for you guys. So just obviously since we are using the Windows device, so we need to click onto the Windows download, and downloading will be started instantly. It is pretty much light application. Just we need to double click on it and installation will be started instantly. So let's start the NDM first, and most importantly, Google Chrome support extensions are also available for both Chrome and Mozilla browsers. So let's install it, and that's it. Finish, and just you need to go inside the settings. If you are using the Chrome, obviously you need to go inside the settings and you need to visit the Chrome web store. So let's click onto the settings. Once you click onto the setting, then you need to click onto the extensions. Once you click onto the extension, then Chrome web store, and just you need to type NET and you will get the extension. Just you need to click it, add extension, and simply add extension. And after that, you need to just extension is on. Now we have to verify the extension is okay or not. So we need to go inside the again settings, then we need to click onto the extensions. So we are good to go. So application has been installed successfully, and you can see that we have the download manager as well. So let me type the download manager. It would be here it is. So interface is pretty much almost the same like IDM, but obviously it is absolutely free. Obviously, if you want to use the IDM, you need to purchase a license, obviously. But this application is free and the best alternative, and you can use it. So now we are good to go. Now it's time to talk about the second application that is also free and open source and available for the Mac, even Linux, and even for the Mac OS system. So operating system would not be an issue. So the second alternative is basically AB Download Manager. Just you need to type onto the Chrome browser AB Download Manager, then you need to click on it and you will have neat and clean website interface, and you need to click onto the Get app, and you will see that all type of compatibilities are here. Even it is available for the Android as well. Android, Linux, Mac, Windows. Wow. What are the opportunity it is. So obviously we need to avail it, and all the extensions are available. You can see that Opera, Microsoft Download, Edge, Google, Firefox, each and everything is available. So pretty much good, pretty much nice. And most importantly, it is open source and free. So let's click on it, the Windows, because we are downloading the Windows device for the Windows device for now. So just we need to click onto the direct download, and now it has been downloaded, and now just we need to open it. So once we open it, we will have a setup. We have to click just next. I agree, install, and it will be installed instantly. Pretty much lightweight application. So you can see that installation is in progress. Till that time, let me show you the Chrome extension as well. AB download. You need to just click onto the Chrome extension, and just you need to click add extension, and you can see that extension has been added. So let me verify the extension, either it is added or not. Extensions. So you can see that now we are good to go. So all is good, and we are almost done. next, and then finish. So let's start the another one, AB Download Manager. It is basically a second alternative of IDM, and you can see that a lot of pretty much same interface, little bit different but almost the same interface. So these two are the three alternatives, and we have integrated with our browser as well. So now we can start our downloading. So you can also deploy these two tools in your computer, and if you are looking for the IDM, then these two alternatives are the best one and best uh, replacement for the IDM. So you can install it, and how it is, you can mention in the comment section. If you have any query, you can mention in the comment section. I will give the answer as early as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.